Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Aruba Networking AP-605R Remote Access Point with LTE Modem. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The AP-605R is a desktop AP designed for small office and home office. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here is the AP. You can see the integrated antennas since we are unboxing the LTE bundle model. We will have a more detailed look at it later. First, let's see what else is in the box. You will find an AC to DC power adapter, and underneath is the power cord. Please note that currently, the LTE bundle is only available in EU variant, so the power cord that it is shipped with will be of EU type. You will need to order the Australian power cord separately. Here you have your installation, configuration and safety guide, compliance and warranty documentation, and the startup guide. At the very bottom of the box, there is a pin, which will come in handy when we need to insert our SIM card into the LTE modem. There is nothing else in the box. Now let's have a closer look at the AP itself. There is a LED status light on top, LED display and the LED display toggle bottom on the front of the unit. On the right hand side, you will find a sticker with the serial number and MAC addresses, and a recessed power socket. To install the power supply, simply connect the cable into the socket and then rotate the cable to be parallel with the unit. To uninstall, rotate the cable anti-clockwise and unplug. On the left-hand side, you will find a Kensington lock socket and a USB-A type port which can be used to connect selected cellular modems and other peripherals. On the back, you will find the dual LTE antennas, a recessed reset button, and a micro USB console port. Should you ever need to use the console port, you will need a proprietary console cable which needs to be ordered separately. There are also 5 Ethernet ports, E0 which is your default uplink port, E1 which can be configured as a secondary uplink or a plain downlink port and which also supports 2.5 gig speeds, E2 and E3 which are your standard downlink ports, and E4, another downlink port that is capable of supplying up to 15 watts of power using PoE to a compatible downstream device. Please note that this AP does have a cooling fan installed and there are air intake perforations along the sides of the unit as well as air exhaust vents at the back of the unit. We will now demonstrate the SIM card installation. Using a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 2 spring-loaded screws at the back of the unit and then gently remove the LTE module assembly. Open the SIM module on the side by using the pin that has been provided. Please note that there are 2 nano-sized SIM slots, SIM 1 and SIM 2. You can install up to 2 SIMs, but only one can be active at any given time. Once you've installed the SIM card, simply plug the SIM module back in its place. Then slide the LTE module into the chassis and secure using the 2 screws. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library on our website via the link in the video description below. If you found the video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!